Hello there, I'm David from londonsafes.co.uk, and in this tutorial video we'll be looking at how to change your personal code on one of our Bloomsbury safes. Personal favour, I'm trying to increase the subscribers. If you really wouldn't mind just clicking bottom right hand corner of your screen and subscribing and perhaps liking this video, that'd be very kind, thank you. Okay, so this is one of our Bloomsbury 40k safes. This is the size 4 that we're looking at here. And the following procedure applies to this and the size 3 and the size 2, but not the size 1. That has a slightly different procedure, and there'll be a separate video for that one. And before we start, we want to make sure that we've got our emergency keys here, so that they're not inside the safe. Never keep them inside the safe. You'd be surprised at how many people do. So that if we do need to get into the safe, if you mess the code up, we can still get into the safe. So when we've installed the safe for you, we'll have removed the transport screw. So there's a screw inside that you don't need to worry about, but we'll have removed that transport screw and shown you how to use the safe using the default code, which is on this particular model is 6 ones. So the first thing we need to do in order to get to the programming stage is opening the safe. The safe's locked. We can see it's locked because that badge is horizontal. So we're going to press on, it beeps, and then the 6 ones. And then E, and then when we do, it said OK, and now we've got a short time to turn the knob and open the safe. It may be the case that you've already changed the code and you've had the safe for some time and you want to make another code change, so that those 6 ones that I was referring to would be replaced with whichever 6-digit number you've been using. So the next stage is with the door open, so I'm not going to shut the door, I'm going to keep the door open. We're going to turn the knob back to the locked position, and that threw the bolts out, as you can see. Now the sequence is this: there's a button on the inside of the door which is for programming, and we're going to press that, but first we press on to let the door just rest against its frame like that. Try not to push too hard. I'm going to press on, then we go around to the inside, open the door fully. There's your programming button, you can see where that is. I'm going to press the programming button and just slide that protective cover over, and now you've got 10 seconds to start programming. The code light's on. I'm going to program it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I press that series of numbers and then I press enter. The code light's still on because it wants me to confirm it, like a password sometimes that you need to do on a computer. I've done it again, and then we're going to press enter. And now in a short period, the light's gone out. We'll hear a little chime. And hopefully you heard that. And that means it's accepted the code. So now what we do is, the safe's still in the locked position, but the door open. We push it again gently. We don't want this to damage the framework by pushing it, so it's gently. And we try it. We press on and we go through the normal procedure to open it. Enter our 6 digits. Then we press enter. It said OK. We heard the little click. The safe's open. Now we can shut the door and we can close it. And that's all there is to it. That's how you change the code on the Bloomsbury size 4, size 3 and size 2. Separate video coming on the size 1. Only difference is it uses a 4-digit code and not a 6-digit code. And if you'd like a safe like this, it's free delivery and free installation in all of the areas that you see here. And you can visit us on londonsafes.co.uk. Any questions, please give us a call. We're very friendly and very helpful, or we like to think so anyway. And in the video description, I'll put a link to this safe if you wanted to buy one, and to the family of safes that it comes from. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.